Hi, my name is Nelson Gomez, and right now we're working with question 7 from the retake exam for CE 3301. Again, please try to do the problem first before looking at the answers. I really believe that that's the best way to learn. But let's do the problem now. A researcher wanted to understand the general level of happiness of students in relation to their grades. The analysis of results from a survey made from a sample of 350 university students is summarized below. Answer the following question based on these results. If you know a student has bad grades, what is the probability for that student to have high levels of happiness? Look, immediately when I see a problem like this, it says, if you know that a student has bad grades, this is what I do. I forget about everything else. The only relevant group here is the students that have bad grades. The others are not relevant. Okay. So if you know that, what is the probability for that student to have high levels of happiness? Then within the only reality that you have, this is the only reality, the groups of students that have bad grades. What is the probability for that student that you know that has bad grades to have high levels of happiness? Then there will be 26 over 89. Okay? Just in case, this is what I'm asking. The probability that a student has a high level of happiness given that has bad grades. And that is this, 26 over 89. 26 over 89, that is 0.2921. And this will be the answer to this question. Now, if you didn't want to do it that way, there are other ways of trying to find it out, but it will be like using the formulas the other way around, let's say. First, one way of finding the probability of H given B, the probability of high given bad, will be the probability of high and the probability of bad. The probability of high and bad over the probability of bad. Okay? So the probability of high and bad, that is something that you can get also from this table. It will be the probability that any student will have high levels of happiness and bad grades. That will be 26 over 350. And the other probability is the probability that a student has bad grades. That will be 89 over 350. Okay? But again, if you do math, you will see that this is exactly the same number. And it will be 26 over 89. So those are the two ways of doing this problem. I would highly recommend that if you have a table like this, a contingency table, that you do it the first way. It's very easy. If not, the formulas are just as good. Okay. I hope that proves useful for you.